Do you need to clean your car without water, either for a quick clean or due to lack of space? Try Simoniz Waterless Wash Wax. Simply spray on, wipe it off to get rid of the dirt, then buff with a clean cloth. As it contains wax, you can create a shiny finish easily. And it will also provide protection to keep the paintwork looking good for longer. My top tip: wiping a car that has grit on it can damage the paintwork. So be careful, and if your car's heavily soiled, we recommend you do a full wet wash with our shampoo and wax. To top up the shine, use Simoniz Quick Shine Detailer between washes.